science project, we'll make peanut butter balls.
Throughout this video, I'll include melting, freezing, and vaporization.
The ingredients that I used are peanut butter, vanilla, powdered sugar, and butter.
As Ashley adds the ingredients, it'll make a homogeneous mixture that is evenly dispersed throughout the batter.
Sarah will now mix the butter to get it softened. Next, we will add the peanut butter after she is done.
You can do it.
Then we'll mix it again to get it softened more. Then, after we'll add powdered sugar to our mixture.
Only a little. And you can add more. That's good. Jack, you got it in the bowl. Sorry. It's okay.
We'll mix it so the sugar does not fly everywhere and make a mess. Adding little as little.
I'm getting it everywhere.
Sorry.
I'll have to open it for you. What are you doing?
At home, after we add all the powdered sugar, will come vanilla lastly.
Ashley's a little slow because she likes to get it all over me.
Why don't you add it?
Not fully. Now, do you see that? How perfect that was, Ashley? Yeah, like you. You're like a. Oh. Ah! Oh my God.
It is a little messy process.
As you can tell.
We are adding vanilla now.
Now we'll add a little milk to soften up the batter a little.
Can I show them what the batter looks like?
It doesn't look so good. Sorry.
That was all our ingredients that we'll use.
That we made a homogeneous mixture.
After our homogeneous mixture was made, we must form the dough into round balls.
We have already made most of them, so the process will go fast. As Ashley places the last one down, we're going to go put them in the freezer for 2 days so we can start our second process of melting the chocolate. Now, we're going to go put them in the freezer for 2 days. Let's go. In 2 days, we'll be back.
2 days have passed and the peanut butter balls are completely frozen.
Now I take them from the freezer and bring them upstairs to set aside to start our melting process. Wow.
Now we will prepare the chocolate to be melted.
As Ashley adds the wax and the chocolate molasses to the pot, we will then bring it over to the double boiler.
As Sarah puts the chocolate and the wax on the double boiler, the chocolate and the wax will begin to melt. As the chocolate melts, the particles start to break apart and move freely. This is called melting. As the chocolate melts, the particles start to break apart. The thermal energy then increases and the chocolate particles start to move freely.
As we wait for the wax to melt completely, we will then dip the peanut butter balls in the chocolate.
Ready.
The water goes from a liquid to a gas, which is called vaporization. The water boils, which causes the thermal energy to increase, and the particles move farther away from each other in the space available. The gas is steam.
Go. Since the chocolate is now melted, we'll dip the peanut butter balls in the melted chocolate.
As Ashley dips them, you can already see that the chocolate has hardened back to the solid state. We're rolling. As the chocolate hardens, changing states, going from a liquid state back to a solid state, the thermal energy decreases and the particles move closer together. That's it.
Who knew that chocolate peanut butter balls could undergo melting, freezing, and vaporization?
I know, right? Well, this is our science project.
Bon appetit!